no. Was here and that's what our home. And that's what our home will be at it. And then we my mama addition aha FM excellence 92.1 FM. So I am gospel arena Juma dear and Majima Kunya Sen and Damiano. And the assistant so I wait near Chona say if you don't have I there and Jawa to me coming as a roll. Ah, Eva. I remember the fun when you're here. Oh Jesus. And then DJ Sakio, our Emmy producer, we're telling them of them. I rather not you, and you are more than you say, you dear, and you be beer, and I'm fair again, and you rather watch it. Eva. Me amajimanja edi jumadie ebrew midiani okukuni kukuduru for ministry to draw nana kofi brako ubetimi from eye papides what you say your secret is your power. Your secret is your power. Adia eyo secret is say obitimi no, that is your power. Men chawon sem bebre sa men kasa bebre wate orofo eya fon sem esie efi se otamfo bonsam wose onim ne ye dwen e wo yetirim but ne ye ka wo ya no eno ne wote ne wagina so e dia sey enti eya ma wo sem enka wutirim orofo ko kasa dodo ko enko yie nyina ne se ko kasa dodo ye hwe eye Joseph esondaye Namra osondaye no okatre eye ni nuanom ene na wofo nyina. Hey, your dream can be your secret and that secret can be your power. It's actually your power. You need to learn how to keep your secret. Stop believing that she's my friend, he is my friend. We share everything together. Hey, you share everything together. Do you know what she has been doing in secret? Do you know what he's doing against you? My sister, my brother, don't say that she's your favorite friend, okay? Hey, even your brothers, your sisters, my God is. I'm not walking dream on the excellent and I'm falling young pet. And I never papa Casacrum put in the cell every son say, hey, and to the million no mammy in Yabakoto. Jesus. Hey, other for Mamika Semitro. Your secret is your power. Tiasema papa de kayo. Naka abofra asoda no aka wiya. E ka butimi e ka se. Wo se enti me enimi nuanom enyina ba bekoto wokitu ai. Wokuman. Hey, me se Yakopon wasira wo. Na essence enchira na e wo so no. Hey, enipa etan. Hey, wadafo na woni nam na wodi osusu se me ne ne bokosi atafre den de wonyawa obese wo. Wonyawa obeyew. If you say near one wonibi nani bropa. Your secret is your power. This learn how to keep secret, okay? Learn how to keep secret. It's not everything about you that you share out. Only the baba money and baba name ko ready nim ko anu tum. What you say? Men kasa bebre. Wo kasa bebre atamfo ebenyawo. Wosefo no benyawo. Men kasa bebre. What you say? Aha excellence 92.1 FM. What you say? Jumadie eye gospel arena. Okukuni kukuduru for ministry to draw. Wo the fast ro obo amebra fa so. Me say o fast ye mememo so. Ministry hwe. What you say? I'm on fire. Anche be a discussion ababa. Na ene edie na yesusu ana se den ye pese mu. Ene die ne bobo ho. Ene die na ye baba papa mu. Edie ne be godom. Hey, asebeba bi. We are looking at dating. And brother, and then we are in Ghana. Akwala wo 6 years bra. That's right. Ya baba hwe ya ekoso e wo dating mu. Ya baba hwe se eso won fa so kra se AC dating. Na so for kra bo wale nti wan twen plaza no wale. I'm on fire. Obetimi no aje traba what you say? Anche bia amazing mama. Obedina bia na chese wodi nchechemu aba. Na wa mi ehunu ni ekoso e wo dating mu. Ehun hia se AC dating ana se ehun hia. Eye online dating eye ana se nye. ni nyina obecheche amazing mama wagina kunya obetra say on the daddy day nyina na no wan fe am on fire ne ho fe rough ti ya din komo twetwe ne be so amazing mama
yeah
empom ti sen
nyankopon adum na wo so e
oh twedi ampon na tokon na dawro ma me ho de krampo sen sabe ahyawa nimpa
all right nyankopon say
we de ho ye ya ho din ase na abrewa apoma idie na che se bibia ko se ka na amazing
yeah
and then ye da pro so e dating
okay
hey and na wo ko Ghana for na ba bia e bia kwala 6 years krampo twempna che se e ye me nwanwa me dwen kra me ntiase
okay
eti ene ye pese uba buomu udwudwam wo pese esemu ama ye hunu eti ase be first of all kra ye kasi dating kra ene den
okay and there so that be Wednesday or Tuesday
yes and Wednesday and Wednesday
and there ukware dey say it me dan yakopon say na obi bia oti excellence 92.1 FM bia nchia kese pan enkoma no and that Ghana wo fa baby am penatwen e wo honom dating ya ha nti no kan na shada anye me won bebre na ye kan dating na say you can't do that later on in the future you can get married to that person.
Oh, okay. Yes. Let's just say dating, no. Let's just say a study.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yes. But what you show? My second question. Your online dating. And your what say me no face to face.
Okay.
Yes, yeah. And you debia between both fie, also to be both fie ni ade didn't come. Now online dear no. Yeah. And I say yeah.
In fact, and there Ghana, they nyama bebre any point say nka ye be ye ne sa. Esan say who date ni pa unim say or ye kwensan you so ye you don't know the kind of person the person is. Do you know even mami wata for from to me but as so as normal people what I say until you can be dating somebody who is even mami wata kra unim, you can be dating a spirit online due to you don't know that kind of person that you are talking to. So that online dating there, me I'll never find somebody, oh hello, hi, oh picture keke will still pay me. I will never accept.
Okay.
But I know it's going on and most of the time no, I just agro. Nipa no ni udi agro keke. At the end of the day when you say, ubetini sending some of your pictures because they even go to the extent of exchanging naked pictures, which is very, very bad.
Really?
Sure.
Naked pictures?
Sure.
And videos in count.
Oh wow, mutimi your friends say WhatsApp ya be. Mutimi video. What you say? Because me I've seen so many things. I've not gotten anywhere but me hu nyama bebre. What you say? Because me akasa madam for back in SHS no yes I dey be.
Online dating.
Online dating. Now obema no timi friend. No shooting a baby, no we shooting a baby due to camera contact no move the fast so I was something which is very, very bad because near woman you don't know the kind of person you are. That's why at the end of the day obibe na just say waware afedi I won't back way back those kind of problems in it.
Oh okay.
All right, so
yeah brain to the yan to aso a day pana e koso potin dey potin pana koso dating a day potin pana koso.
Yo, thank you very much. Dating, say, cause dating, as I say, you are going to study the person, the behavior of the person, what the person like and what the person doesn't like. You have to know all those kind of things. And at the end of the day, so you have to know when the person is happy and when the person is not happy. Like petty things, I also who say maybe amuko worry and koye problem. What you say, but in the Ghana, it's not like that. Obi owa and penalty but obe fam no ni obanada which is very
duty me awo kan and it mama mi say date you know e kissing sex and other kind of romantic play no so no food so Tony I don't know. Is it accepted in dating?
Please, it's not accepted.
Hey.
Yes, it's not accepted anywhere. because imagine when you are dating somebody because me I've seen so many and woman before bebrea or to me for near the or come life story editor the lady and the guy were just dating. By the end of the day, no more waiting. I hear Musuina, Sam Pastor Brony Beard, at the end of the day, the lady is now pregnant. And I'm a minister, my missy, yeah, but not by man where no one answer her.
Yeah, but this want to be so show.
Oh, say, uncle to not bear man, what got not bear money your hand, all right. But so the papa yen one year. What you say? So those are some of the consequences. I want really yeah. Or beman in your pen, maybe a grana and you taste and now one. And you be okay. It's who do one command you know. What's the answer?
That's on the pay.
Say or beman will be our taste until one yadi who can't pay. No one say, with the nye and you be a maybe. Okay, what you say? So that is how it is. It's not allowed. Kissing, having sex and all those kind of romance, it's not allowed when you are dating.
Hey, I say remember that amazing mama no obieja ojamugu osebubuja. Hey, kissing. Hey, it you met me die. I will date you. Amazing mama say and me say it's not accepted. But without hey, it you met me die. Mama, yantuaso, and 6 years, okay, 8 years, 12 years, grandpa, no more dating. It's dating, no, is it for fun?
And yeah, me home because me want color KG. Yeah, because I'm a friend, me come KG. Or name me what them, and I'll shut up a friend, I don't for no hair, man, or else I say, bra, man, or they almost do you understand what I'm saying? They are sleeping together. I went to say I call my mom, come and see. Na ye ne ho ade anya kasa nye say radio nti na me kasa
one manu mato
what you say nti ente Ghana aye basta say ahwe ne year there will be chaos in this country and hwe say yan kasa you so your culture na enyama be say e wa Ghana ha ye wo mu nti no start dating is not for fun. What you say? Dating is not for fun.
Meaning it's
a serious business.
There is a specific reason for it.
Yes.
Okay, and then reason.
You see the kind of definition I gave to the meaning of dating.
Yes.
You are just going to study the person, not going to sleep with the person. Dating is not about sleeping, kissing, and romancing, but it's about studying the person, knowing the person's behavior, knowing how the person is. Would this person be able to help me to be able to develop who I want to become? Would this person help me to establish my business to become a proper person in the nearby future? Those are the things who the other one, master. That is why today in Ghana, a lot of marriages are breaking because they don't know the real thing that they are doing. I just say, so when you are dating, look for the person. How would this person suit me? That is the most important thing.
Anyway, Mama, at what time or at what age or at what point, and I would say, see a date here.
Okay, thank you. Dating, no, and here time, and here pa. I call out or even 15 years, 17 years, you can't be dating. As I said, because I call out your wa been to send me until you wait me. But even Obi or he doesn't have that kind of ideas. Or no dating on him. Montiasi until no so Obi come on so and 18 years dear, you shouldn't go in for dating. What I say. And we have some people, they are even 20 years, they've never dated. But I tell you, they are having the most good marriage on this earth. Obi
so at that point now we can so watch you because and then you want say Obeka say oh me person me tena me wase ya kodru ebia 22 25 mu baby but ebedru that point no na ase emema ho adema no anase even grandpa ma ho adema ezobu ho no na no mo no miam tu ezi ma no mo no ntime we oba na say wanga sa wanka kire me ya what ya say etiri be at that point when you say unzu se betinya ha
me bacho. If you're a good woman and you want to keep it to yourself, it wouldn't worry you. You get somebody who is good to marry you and you'll be happy and forever and ever. You didn't have any problem. Until now, you see, everything depends on the man. Yeah, na I share your dream say. One yes, I didn't at that time now. A bit in your house will be your horse. I was on to me, shiny feelings. So I didn't dream. But I was on the Bemas in a penasa one famana. As a bonnet money. See, I dream and everything depends on the mind. You have to put it everything depends on the mind. Every single thing that you want to do depend on the mind. Because me, I'm meeting here. Even say because I deal with me yeah and yeah, there's no because I've said it. But when I tell myself, this thing I'll do it, I will do it and I'll make it. You understand? So the same thing applies to every area of our lives. So if you tell yourself, say, me to me and share me so the same thing will happen to you. You understand? So you have to make up your mind. When it get there, God will surely make a way where there seems to be no way for you.
God will surely make a way where there is no way. Amazing mama no. More brand, I just I say a fan kick. I say a fan a boy you may jump. What to brand basa KG, a kiti wouldn't do baby. Now one penana was sorry, I won't be deaf yet. I will phone also. Oh, Mama, Mammy sound, I will phone a combina, a mass sound palanquity etimi, a chimpana at that age. Who's to say? If you want to move on for year and now say a day pan. Alright, thank you very much. It depends on who because me to give an example, me house, me mama. On Shadan yes straight but Opema Sampa and yes or straight. She didn't taught me those kind of things, allowing you to go out and then go empty and become a brother. And as we talked about the last time about the early marriage, it be in a banu corner chese one background now the one or no crab about it. I say, Akosia, who call you then on yai. Not just ordinary your business. Yes, what I say. The same story this year, and Mammy no yare, the doctor and I or here no. Him say, Nanny, edgy, ne banning home until because of so no so yare or pace continue say, I just say, Doctor Nipo, dear, I don't know, Yeniska. Hey, see, we say, oh, for sure. Jesus. What I said, there are so many things going on, and those petty mistakes are from Yankasa. So we need to check ourselves very well. I will follow the account. What I said, some of them they push their children to go and do those kind of things. Me say me go film or mommy like or mommy life stories and or church me nyama bia. E wo say me hussein e bia me so me careful because onu baby a we do no. Me do hoye. Baby onu baby otina no baby obetimi ehunu. Me ntimi ehunu ho. Nti ochi wo na to baby time bia me ko bia. Obeka cho say grace and onu him say. And some of the parents, when you become so responsible like that, you don't. They begin to trust you. What I say? Yes. Because baby, mommy, another country town. What I say? And I'm here. And if I tell you my age, you may be surprised. Really? Sure. But I've been able to overcome myself. Being able without any auntie, any sister, nobody, staying all by my own. And meeting me all because of the way my mom also taught me in a Christian way. And the last time I was telling you that Senya Kasa said me koye bibi adatana na this is me mistake. What you say? Amazing say ono onye wona ne maame na tene anti ni nua just ne nko na te but wetimi ahwe ono ane ho so ahye no ho so what you say ne nko a oba pa o kan eja ye kamnya o de tuja High excellence 92.1 FM. Gospel arena na wutie no. Okukuni kukudru for me straight to grow. Me diba gadi ya obo ana fidie mu a ha ebubuja. Na ha soja. Eti yebuso ye soja ro. Ye de be mamo back to back and chen baby bia. The one I tell you. Say that me throw one back. Oh man, tell me one thing. Oh man. Amazing. Yeah. Yamtuaso. All right. Is there any challenges, problems, in dating? Yeah, you could because you know be a winning dating kekano. wotimi ebro obaye prepra ba ko bia me ko hu no wa alance tentan no so wo say anything bia oba no be ka say ebia o yam fame ekokire abusuafo ana say ebia sere sere na adane ntokwa dem ebetimi ampo na mamuja etimi pram still na oba ni busu tena
sa oba no onye serious in life. What you say?
Really? I
don't know what say. Hey, dear, I don't know the kind of odor who are on to me F1. What you are saying, I've also seen some before.
Oh, really?
What you are saying?
Okay.
I've seen some before. I was staying somewhere around Cape Coast. The same thing was happening in the house. So to me, the belt, you know, our bra on worry no yeah, but I didn't understand what the reason why, but you have to, it have to give you sense to say and if you make a mistake and you go into that marriage now, you are going to suffer severely because because nipa no mpe wasam ati ase
let us say on no ana
sure
because now
okipu on sakiu so obo de bia na mete na me mete ho
and all the work
masa me call ya che because enye wo na o mama di what you say me call ya che and the fact that you just dating it's not even married that you have to have this. So Obano, or you advise yourself, take into consideration certain things, say nebe I will bet you one fisa or bamano. But almost Memo was as so also. If you pray, God will give you.
Hey, Nanso Bible na can say a bedroom babino, a mass 7, a bekumbe back. Ebia obeka say oh minya ya wo dey for no e dey eto me so keke say wo yire no dey manya me hwe. It just say e me man no so. Ana say no patire.
Me to assess a member endorse but do you know something? When the favor locates you. When the favor locates you, you are going to get somebody that you didn't expect. What you say? Minimum be an who shot on your fabia like oh yeah, some way be or a moon. What you say? On yet or abnormal. But if I tell you the kind of person or worry now, you'll be shocked. And it's not by on one casane. And then be their life, yeah, their normal things, which shouldn't be like that. What you say? When it's God that gives marriage, do you know that? Yes. And marriage is a favor from God.
Yes.
So when you are able to keep yourself very well, that kind of favor will locate you.
Okay. Now, me tell say, and then a man say, be na oba be phone wonim send you winjin net ye wakosi akuma no wonim send yet ye sebe eso ana sebe ehobon wonim because serious a man go kwa mo yen hwenka omo siesie we minimum oba bia won o regare a what che abros bra 30 seconds. Amazing. Wow. Seriously, 30 seconds. Now somebody with 30 seconds. Tell me what we do in the new. I don't know when I'm call us.
All right, Matthew, I see you.
So I did also sorry.
There is nothing like soccer. Do you know something? Me, as I'm here, I don't think certain